Thanks.
Hi, this is G. Gautam, currently working in SNS Project College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. Today's class we are going to discuss about design thinking process. Basically our SNS institution is collaborative design thinking, the number one curriculum framework in India. Let us start with what we mean design thinking. These are the 5 stages of design thinking. Let us be. The first one is empathize, second one define, third one is ideate, and then fourth one is prototype, and then last one is test. So these are the 5 things, 5 frame network of design thinking. It is considered what do you mean by empathize. How will you empathize? First of all, empathize to help define the problem, what the problem should be. For example, let us consider one example. How will you define the problem? If you are writing exam in exam 1, if you are getting any accounts exam or whatever else, if you want to sort out the problem, first you have to define the problem, what the problem should be, and what are the things you want to identify in that particular problem. After identifying that particular problem, you want to write a case study. Should be makeover. Like that, you want to identify the problems whether it should be sorted out within a particular stipulated time or not. Second one is, after finding the ideas for empathize for the problem, you start with define. The second stage is define. How will you define? For example, if you are reading some books, means particularly some definition should be given by some author. Like that, as a person, we are going to doing some project or whatever else, we want to define the problem for that particular thing. Whether it should be shorter stipulated time or not. The definition should be second thing. If you want to be giving a definition. Then one is idea. This idea is a major almost thing. We have to be given some ideas for the particular product. Our idea, for example, we are creating a new ideas to make over the things. Whether the product has been gone with particular thing or it should not be, doesn't matter. The idea should be a third thing. The idea is the mainmost thing to create all those things. Then after that, we are creating some ideas. Let us go on with prototype. Here, what is prototype means? This things, the test created new ideas for project. If you are doing, for example, if you are working in IT company, the project manager has allocated some project for you. If you want to give some ideas about it, how we can go into that complete that particular project within a time. First thing, and the second thing, you want to create idea for that particular project to complete within a time. So these are the things. Whether the project should be collaborated with some person or sole person. This thing, and then prototype is the fourth stage, and the last one is test. The first stage, empathize, define, ideate, and prototype. All those 4 things comprises the last thing is test. So testing is the almost thing. So testing is the thing how will you test the product. So whether the product should be in good condition or not. So if you are creating insights for the product, how? Like this, test reveals insights to redefine the problem. If for example, if it creates any failure, if your product creates any failure, means you want to redefine the problem. What should be the failure in that particular thing? If you want to create a new thing and you want to create a new review for that particular product. So these are the things of design thinking framework. So these are the things, mainly the 5 things. One is empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and then last one is test. So these are the things. And then second one is our core culture. So we are working in SNS. So particularly we are focusing 3 core culture. The one is purpose. What the purpose should be, we are working here. For example, if your working is purposefully well or good. If you are doing good or bad. Okay, and then first one is purpose, and then second one is process. After the purpose, we started getting into process position. What the process should be done. Whether the process should be going in elaborate condition or not. If you are going for some second situation for process means, we can going to sustain our reality of thought. Then last thing is, first one is purpose, second one is process, and third one is people. The major almost thing is people. So without people, we can't product generation. So these are the comprises of our SNS core culture. The first one is purpose, second one is process, and third one is people. So these are the almost things to complicate with the design thinking framework and as well as network chain. So this is very kind of very I think you are intimately understand this. So design thinking non-linear process. So these are the things. Last one is testing is important factor to create some impact for our product. Okay. So these are the things. So basically, the SNS should be institution should be collaborating with the